After you've measured your windows and your drapery hardware, and you've used the form to figure out how big your panels will be, you're going to take those figures and use them to figure the fabric yardages for your panels. Most drapery panels are figured at 2.5 times fullness. If we wanted a 20-inch drapery panel, we would actually be using 50 inches of drapery fabric for it. So 2.5 times fullness. If you're using a solid fabric, then you can use the form that I've provided for figuring yardages when you have a solid fabric. You can also skip the next videos which show how to figure fabric yardages when you have a pattern fabric. If your fabric for your drapery panels is a pattern fabric instead of a solid fabric, you're going to need to figure your fabric yardages a little bit different. When you have a pattern fabric, you want the same pattern to go across the top of the draperies on each of your drapery panels. So if you have 1 window or 3 windows, you want the same pattern to be at the top of each panel. And this is also helpful if you are seaming widths of fabric together. You want to cut on the pattern repeat for each cut so that you can match up your fabrics to make your seam. Let me show you on this extra piece of fabric that I have here. You'll see on this fabric that the diamond is probably about 3 inches away from the cut edge. But on our fabric, it's probably 8 or 9 inches from the cut edge. So what is going to happen is when I try to seam these two pieces of fabric together, matching the top edges, the pattern repeat is not going to match up. If I bring the fabric down, you can see where the pattern is actually going to match up on our seam. So in order to figure the yardages for your fabric that has a pattern, you need to first find out what the pattern repeat is. The pattern repeat is from one point on your fabric, and I'm going to pick this leaf right here, the top of the leaf, and I go down the fabric until I find that same leaf further down. That is our pattern repeat. So we're going to measure it, and it measures at 25 1/4. So I know when I go to my measuring form for figuring yardages when you have a pattern fabric, that the number I'm going to have to plug in for the pattern repeat is 25 1/4. So next I'm going to show you how I put those figures into the measuring sheet, and we'll figure the yardages that we need for this fabric. Next, I'm going to walk you through how to figure your fabric yardage if you have a pattern fabric instead of a solid fabric. There's some calculations that you're going to need to determine first before you can figure the yardage. You're going to need to know what your fabric cut length is. And to find that, you would take your finished length, add in your hem allowance. Mine is usually 8 inches because I like to do a double 4-inch hem at the bottom of my drapery panels. You would add in the size of buckram. Mine is usually 4 inches. Yours might be 2 inches. It might be 6 inches. And then you would also add in an extra 2 inches just so you have a little extra fabric. The total of that is your cut length. For our drapery panels, I know that the finished length is 34 inches, and I add in the 8-inch hem allowance. I add in 4 inches for the buckram and then the extra 2 inches. So my total cut length is going to be 48 inches. Next, you're going to need to determine your pattern repeat. As I showed you before, to find the pattern repeat and to measure it, you need to go from one part of the pattern to the same part of the pattern further up the fabric. That measurement is your pattern repeat. So for our fabric, our pattern repeat is 25 1/4 or 25.25 inches. Next, you're going to need to figure the number of cuts needed. And this figure will depend on how wide you want your panels to be. You would want to multiply the number of widths you need for your panels by 2 to make a pair of panels, and that would give you the number of cuts needed. In our example, we want our panels to be 1.5 widths we're going to multiply that by 2 to make a pair, and so we know we need 3 cuts of fabric. Next, to determine the fabric yardage, we're going to use these figures we came up with. First, we're going to take our cut length and divide it by the pattern repeat. And that's going to give us the number of pattern repeats we need to make our cuts. So in our example, our cut length was 48 inches, and we divide that by our pattern repeat of 25.25 or 25 1/4. That equals 1.9. Now you can't have a partial pattern repeat. You have to have whole pattern repeats. So you're going to need to round up the number of pattern repeats. In our example, we're rounding up 1.9 to 2 pattern repeats. Next, we would take the number of pattern repeats needed, multiply it by the repeat size, and that would give us our cut size. In our example, we needed 2 pattern repeats multiplied by 25.25, our repeat size. That gives us our cut size of 50.5 or 50.5. Next, we would take the number of cuts needed, multiply it by the cut size, divide that by 36 inches to get the yardage of fabric needed. In our example, the number of cuts needed was 3. We multiply that by our cut size of 50.5 inches or 50.5. That equals 151.5. We divide that by 36 inches and we come up with 4.2 yards of fabric needed. I would probably round that up to 4 1/4 or 4.5 yards of fabric.